Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is part 2 of the financial functions we are exploring for the next 30 days. Here is a situation. You have got a car loan and wondering how much of each payment actually goes to paying down the loan itself? Let's use Excel's PPMT function to break it down. Here's our example. $20,000 loan at 5% interest for 5 years, paid monthly. So, let's use the PPMT function. The first part is the interest rate, 5% divided by 12 since we pay monthly. Next, we choose which payment we're looking at. I want the 5th payment, so I'll type 5. Then, the total number of payments. That's 5 years times 12 months. Finally, the loan amount entered as negative, we can multiply it by -1. Here you have it. Excel shows you exactly how much of that payment goes to the principal. Super handy for understanding how loans work and planning ahead. If you found this useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned. We will explore real-world financial functions for the next 30 days. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.